If you want to delete your Facebook account forever, this is the video you should watch, because we are gonna show you exactly how it's get done as fast as possible. Follow the video precisely and do not skip. So here we go. Open up your Facebook app, go to the hamburger menu and touch on this little gear icon, which will get you to your settings and privacy section. And from here click on the see more in account center hyperlink under the Meta account center subsection. Now from account center go to personal details, and under here you'll find the account ownership and control option. Touch on that. Now go to the deactivation or deletion option. From here choose your Facebook account. Now select the delete account option and hit continue. Please note, if you have any pages under this account, they will also gonna get deleted undergoing this procedure. And to prevent that, you can also give another admin or someone else full control in your page settings. Now they will ask you for the reason you're deleting your account. If you want, choose any of these scanned responses, or you can also continue without selecting one. Once you have done that, you can hit continue. Now you will reach the permanently delete account section on your Meta account center. So scroll all the way down and hit continue once more. It will ask you to enter your Facebook password to confirm the action. Once you have done that, it's time for you to hit that continue button for one last time. Now as you can see, we are at the end of the road, and the only thing that stands between you and deleting your Facebook account forever is this delete account button. And remember, before doing that, there is no going back from this. Unless you have tried reactivating within the next 30 days, your account will get deleted permanently beyond recovery. So hit the button if you want, and once you did, it will take Facebook up to 30 days to complete the account deletion process. But as far as you're concerned, your account has been deleted. It will no longer be visible online or through search, and all the activities or actions you have done with your account will be permanently deleted, except the messages you have sent that will be visible on the recipient's end. So hopefully after 30 days, all your details, everything once your account was, will be erased from the Facebook database forever. And that's how you can delete your Facebook account. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you liked, share it if you found the content helpful, and finally subscribe to the channel to watch more. This is your host Amar Rafiq. See you soon with another one.